Welcome back to Easy Guide, your go-to channel to learn Adobe Illustrator. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone with experience in Adobe Illustrator before, today we are diving into a comprehensive guide on how to use Adobe Illustrator. By the end of this video, you will understand the basics and even a few pro tips to kickstart your journey to creating stunning vector art. So grab your coffee, open Adobe Illustrator and let's get started. Adobe Illustrator is a powerful design tool used to create vector graphics that remains sharp and crisp regardless of resolution and perfect for everything from logos to digital illustrations. Unlike Adobe Photoshop, which focuses on raster-based graphics, Illustrator's vector-based approach ensures your design remains crisp no matter how much you scale them. Illustrator is essential for designers, marketers, and content creators. It is a versatile and allows you to create professional designs like business cards, infographics, website elements, and more. Plus, its integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps makes the workflow seamless. Even if you are new to design, Adobe Illustrator's user-friendly interface and extensive learning resources make it easy to get started. In this guide, we will go over its key tools, features, and tips that will help you unblock its full potential. Let's jump into the workspace to understand how everything is arranged. When you first open Adobe Illustrator, the workspace might feel slightly overwhelming, but don't worry, I will break it down for you. The main components of the workspace include the toolbar, panels, and artboard. The toolbar on the left side cover essential tools like the selection tool, pen tool, and type tool. Each tool has its own function and we will explore some of these shortly. On the right, you will see panels like layers, properties, and libraries. These panels give you control over every detail of your design. For instance, the layers panel helps you organize your artwork efficiently while the properties panel provides quick access to key settings. Finally, the artboard in the center is your canvas. Think of it as the space where all your creative ideas come to life. You can have multiple artboards in a single file, making it easier to manage multi-page projects. Take a few minutes to adjust yourself with the layout. Customizing it to suit your workflow is a game changer. Now that you are familiar with the workspace, let's explore some of the key tools you will use in Illustrator. This selection tool is used to select and move objects. You can also resize and rotate elements easily with it. The pen tool is a must-learn tool for creating paths and custom shapes. It might feel tricky at first, but practice makes perfect. You can watch my complete video about this tool. Link is in the I button and in the description of this video. Use this type tool to add text to your design. Illustrator lets you customize fonts, sizes, and even create text outlines for logos. These shape tools include rectangles, circles, polygons, and more. They are great for creating the building blocks of your design. This gradient tool helps you add beautiful gradients to your artwork, elevating its visual appeal. Play around with these tools to see how they work. Try combining the shape tools and gradient tool to create a colorful abstract design or a simple pattern. Experiment with different gradients, shapes, and alignments to explore what each tool can do. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in using them. If you are feeling adventurous, try using the pen tool to draw custom shapes or trace over a simple sketch. You can also explore the Pathfinder panel to combine or subtract shapes, unlocking more complex designs. Don't hesitate to adjust the stroke width and color to bring your elements to life. Start by using the shape tools to create the basic elements of your design. For instance, you can use a circle for the base and customize its color using the fill option in the properties panel. Add text using the type tool and experiment with different fonts until you find one that fits your vision. Once the basic elements are in place, you can refine your design by adjusting the alignment and adding effects like colors or gradients. Don't forget to save your work frequently. Illustrator lets you save files in multiple formats like AI, PDF, or even export them as PNG for web use. Congratulations, you have just created your first project in Adobe Illustrator. How does it feel? Let me know in the comments below. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to use Adobe Illustrator. Today we covered what Illustrator is, how to navigate its workspace, essential tools, and even created a simple project together. Remember, the key to mastering Illustrator is practice and patience. Don't be afraid to experiment and push your creative boundaries. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creatives. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Guide for daily tutorials, tips, and tricks to elevate your design skills. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This is a complete course specially designed for the beginners. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.